Panama Canal expansion, what impact will it have on trade patterns?
Obviously, the Panamax vessels will be affected. The bigger vessels will start to be having more employment, and we've already seen this happening. The larger than Panamax vessels, between 4 to 9,000 TEU vessels, have started to be reactivated, and we're seeing more Panamax vessels going out of the business. This will continue with a case of already difficult market with the Panamax vessels. So I think that the future of these ships is very harsh. Of course, we will continue to have some of them employed, but there were too many anyway, and there will be even more idle vessels of that size.
Cascading continues to pressure the small container ship classes. What trade lines do you see smaller vessels operating on going forward?
Well, again, cascade is extremely important. It has happened, and it happens to all vessel types, tankers, bulkers, containers. It happens, and it will continue to be happening. The need for bigger ships is becoming more evident with all the alliances that are being formed, and because there are economies of scale. So the bigger ships are pressing smaller ships out. As we said before, Panamax ships will be abundant because they are suffering the most. They are pressing on the smaller sizes, and these are the sizes that we run. We run ships between 1,000 and 3,000 TEU, and we have seen the pressure. We have seen the pressure in Africa. We have seen the pressure in the Asia and the Middle East. Bigger vessels are replacing us. Smaller vessels, however, will never become obsolete. There's always a need for ships that are smaller, to fit into smaller ports, to carry smaller quantities of cargo. So there will be a need for the smaller ships. And because they are being underbuilt, I think that we will see for quite some time smaller ships performing better than the bigger ships.